Welcome back to our fun drawing corner. Let's draw. First up, we're drawing a yummy strawberry. Let's start by drawing its body. It's like a cute little triangle with rounded edges. Easy, right? Next, let's add the leaves on top. Draw a wavy crown. Think of a spiky little hat for your strawberry. Great job.
The farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife.
Now let's add some tiny dots for the seeds. Did you know strawberry seeds are on the outside? Isn't that cool?
The wife takes the child. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the wife takes the child.
Are you ready for the next fruit? Now let's draw a mango, sweet and juicy. Start by drawing an oval shape, but make it a little pointy at the bottom, like a teardrop turned sideways. Add a tiny brown stem on top. It's like the mango's handle. Now draw a long green leaf beside it. Last but not least, let's draw a big, juicy watermelon. Start by drawing a big oval or a round circle. Make it as big as you like. This is the watermelon's body. Now let's add the seeds. Draw little black teardrop shapes all over the inside. These are the watermelon seeds. Don't eat them though.
The cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese. The mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone. The cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
Time to color. Green for the leaves and a little yellow for the seeds. Use red for the body. Wow, it already looks so tasty. Use yellow for the mango, brown for the stem, and green for the leaf. Wow, doesn't it look amazing? Color the inside bright red. That's the juicy part. For the outside, use green. This is the watermelon's thick rind that keeps it fresh and cool. Look at all those bright, yummy fruits. They look good enough to eat.